SMJ. SMJ, why? That's all I have to say. Why? 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 Why?
Everybody like this.
What? What? So from G, wait, which? Hey. Yeah. Yo, guys, we're here again to react to another band that is killing right now. And that is my favorite right now. You know, LSM, SMJ, MSG. So let's see what they have in stock for us. I know. Let's see. Let me see. Okay.
Oh yeah.
SMJ. SMJ, why? That's all I have to say. Why? Okay. The chorus. The blend between the choristers. Yo. They never even go into part. They've not gone into their parts, right? And I think they're in the key of G. Wait. Make I drink water first. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
This drama is killing. I'm looking. I'm the OD. Okay.
Yes. This is the message of the gospel that the Son of God became Son of Man.
SMJ.
The sons of men might become sons of God. He died, he buried, and he resurrected. This is your reality. Say, first he died. Then he was buried. Then he resurrected. Then he resurrected. Now I'm sitting in Christ. In heavenly places and so. Glory, hallelujah. Glory, hallelujah. There is therefore now no condemnation to them that are in Christ Jesus. I am in Christ justified. He is in me glorified. I am forgiven. I have eternal salvation. This is my reality. Now, if you are excited that Jesus died for you, let me hear you. Make some holy.
What? This is why I don't like reacting to SMJ. Like, where did that key change come from? Like, that's like an old tone. Wow. Wait, let's go back small. My God. Okay. I just said let's rewind again. Let's see. Just unison. Okay.
Yes.
On G.
This is the message of the gospel. That
Yeah.
the Son of God became Son of Man. That sons of men might become sons of God.
That's a major
Died,
seventh.
He buried and he resurrected. This is your reality. Say, first he died.
First he died.
There is therefore now no condemnation to them that are in Christ Jesus. I am in Christ justified. He is in me glorified. I am forgiven. I have eternal salvation. This is my reality. Now, if you are excited that Jesus died for you, let me hear you. Make some
A flat.
crazy noise. So, 1, 2, everybody right like this.
What? So from G, wait, let's map it together. From G, he went to, I said from G, what am I even saying? From G, he went to A. From A, he went to F sharp. What the?
Of Thanksgiving, the song simply says, Emma Show was simply saying thank you. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. God has been good. I'm sure you know this song forever. Say, Emma Show me son.
Hey, let's go.
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh God. Jesus mio.
They are doing different parts now, 3 parts.
Oh God. Jesus mio.
I hear it. Yes, sir.
It is your turn. Say, Emma, show me son.
Hey. I hear.
This is with a heart of gratitude. That how far you brought us. If it hasn't been for the Lord, where would we be?
Okay. All right. I will let you. Okay. Hey. I am.
Now I dare you to lift your hands to heaven. When Christ came into you, he did not come halfway. He came in full blown. You're carrying the full carbon of heaven. When he saves, he saves completely. When he loves completely. Oh, this is your testimony.
He's still on that
Are you
trap.
ready? Say, when you heal, you completely. When you bless, you bless completely.
What? I mean, which key we did now? Wow. Back to A. As well. Yeah. They definitely did not come to play. Damn.
Yes.
It's the one to now.
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Yes. You've opened my eyes.
Now they are
I
on D.
see Jesus, who is seated
Alright.
upon the throne. Now behold the Lamb of God. You've opened
That's right.
my eyes. Now all we see is Jesus, who is seated upon
SMJ.
the throne.
SMJ, why?
Say
Why?
you've opened my eyes.
3 parts.
All we see. Oh, who is?
Ooh. Can we appreciate the mix at least? The mix is okay.
Say you've opened my eyes.
3 parts
And all we see.
with the vocals to give it.
Oh,
Oh!
one more time. Say you've opened my eyes. Yes. Yes.
Did they invite? Yes, sir.
Can you raise your hands to heaven? Let's give him glory. Say we.
Yes, sir.
Can you give God glory this night? He's people.
I hear the bass. I hear you. I hear you, sir. I hear you, sir. Keep on. Keep on. We're going to be Sakapo. Balls of fire. Ruska. Rikas Costco. Yeah, it's good. It's sounding like Benjamin. Yes, sir. Wow.
For salvation, for redemption,
Oh, yes, sir.
honor and praise.
He changed it, sir. Okay, you're taking it out? Oh, okay.
So, you know how we say he left the 99 to chase after the one? I have one question. What did the one do to be found? Absolutely
What did he do?
nothing. But the love of God keeps chasing after us.
Okay.
So the faithfulness of the shepherd is not premised on the behavior of the sheep,
Yes, sir.
but on the nature of the shepherd.
Hey. Yeah. Amazing band. SMJ never disappoints, man. It never disappoints. Yo, they definitely did the number. The vocals, 3 parts, unison, changing from G to A, from A to F sharp, from F sharp to D. Kilo D, SMJ, why? Why? Well, let's keep it posted for the next reaction, and I will see you guys in the next one. And just put in the comment section like what stood out for you. Like, I really loved this set though. I loved it. Cheers, guys.